My name is Jia Mera. I am from ABC Arunachal Bullet Club.
This is Rake Agamdui from Arunachal Bullet Club.
Hello, this is Barry Thompson from KD Riders.
Hi, I'm Tara Nahuja. A few people know me as the Curvy Cruiser, and I'm a solo rider from Uttarakhand.
Hi, my name is Amanda Marak. I'm from the Horse Club, NH51 Rebels.
This is Jahira. I'm from NH51 Rebels.
Hi, this is Afis Emle. I'm from Shillong. I'm from the club of Royal Enfield Rider Association of Meghalaya's Stormbringers. That is Sriram Stormbringers.
Women do a lot of things. We do multitasking, and within that multitasking, we take some time out to follow our passion as well. Now, motorcycling is one such passion that we follow, where we not just represent ourselves, but we represent the quintessential quality of how the feminine energy works. So my very first question would be for Barry Thompson, who has been part of the Northeast Riders Meet for such a long time. Ma'am, I would love to hear your experience so far with the Northeast Riders Meet.
The Northeast Riders Meet is an excellent opportunity to meet riders from all over the Northeast. We represent every religion, every tribe, every state, and we all get together just for the opportunity to have brotherhood. And this is vital to keeping the Northeast peaceful and with brotherhood.
Angam ma'am, you are a media person yourself. I understand how tough the role and the job of a media person is. I mean, you have to go to certain places, I can only imagine. So ma'am, how do you take out time for motorcycling? And you represent one of the largest club, that's Arunachal Bullet Club, which holds a very respectable position in the fraternity. Ma'am, I would like you to share your experience within the club, outside the club, and how you are carrying on with your passion of motorcycling, being such a busy person all the time.
I got a chance to work in media by one of my colleagues. He offered, and again, by fortunately, he was a member of our Arunachal Bullet Club. So through this, how my journey has been started with the mic and bike. So this is a very great experience, and till like this is my 7 to 8 years running in the biking riding with my ABC. But it has given me so many different experience, especially in biking, because both the profession and the fashion I have to carry both these. So yes, definitely. It is only like, I can say in simple term, it is all about the एडजस्टमेंट एंड मैनेजमेंट.
मेरा एक्सपीरियंस हम वो आगाम से शुरू करेगा. एक्चुअली हम लोग NERM 2013 से शुरू किया था, लेकिन हम लोग ऑलवेज लाइक मी एंड माई हस्बैंड, ऑलवेज लाइक ओनली मी एंड माई हस्बैंड, ओनली मी एंड माई हस्बैंड. देन एक्चुअली हम फ्रॉम अरुणाचल बट आई स्टे इन शिलोंग नाउ. तो एक्चुअली ABC में आने का, हम अरुणाचल बुलेट क्लब में, मेरा ABC में आने का भी बस यही दोनों था, एली और आगाम ना, क्योंकि तब obviously that time I'm already a mother of 3, already mother of 3. जब हम देखा कि अरे एली और आगाम हम लोग से इतना छोटा है, मतलब ना ऑलमोस्ट लाइक 10 years हम लोग से छोटा है, वो लोग इतना बाइक चला सकते हैं, why not me? Like क्यों हम भी सकेगा. और एक तो है मालादी, even she is a mother of 2, and she is elder to me also. Then I realized कि अरे मालादी भी अगर ऐसे हो सकते तो why not me? So then like to me also, like so many lady riders there, तो हमको भी मतलब जोश दिया है. So thanks to all these ladies.
I was a solo rider when I came to Shillong, because I was studying and working in Bangalore for more than 14 years. So when I came back I had a motorcycle in Bangalore and I sold it off. I thought I can never ride in Northeast with the roads, with the curvy roads and all. So I sold my motorcycle there. Then when I came back, I found so empty. Then I bought my motorcycle. Then after that, I rode, and then I get a chance. They organize some event in Shillong, and so I got a chance to ride with them. And then after that, I keep on riding with them. They keep on calling me for some ride course or Christmas ride and all that. So I keep then they said, why don't you join our club, like a Re-Ramp club? I never thought of joining any club because I see every club in Meghalaya, it's like mostly are guys, are only full of guys. So I never had that in my mind that I can join such club like that. So I thought I'll be solo forever. But yeah, very fortunate that I have met them, and I keep riding with them. And my first NERM was in Shivsagar, and that was how I'll just say wow. NERM is wow. All those 6 members I've met today, those who have formed this NERM, and I just told them this is wow, and that's why. And this is my second NERM, and it's wonderful experience actually.
You had been doing your All India ride. You're exploring Northeast, and it's such an honor to have you here. Please share your experience that you have had with Northeast Riders Meet.
So on the All India ride, I was really scared to enter this part because everybody, people from North and South, we are not so familiar with Northeast. So everybody had literally warned me, or they were like, you stay safe, you don't know their language, you don't know the people. But I would say that coming here and seeing the hospitality and the way they've all hosted me, and how well you've been, trying to make things comfortable for me. I was not carrying a tent. So there's this club from Nagaland, the tribe, they helped me out with a tent and everything. They made sure everything was perfect. So seeing everybody here and the brotherhood that they have here in Northeast, it's really amazing. I would say that my entire picture of Northeast changed because of NERM and coming here. Otherwise, I had a very different image, and I'm actually taking a very positive image to the other end of India, so that when I go there, more and more people, more and more women from that end feel safe to come here, that they cannot only rely on the brotherhood and sisterhood they have on the other end.
I want to focus on this first, like women empowerment that we are talking about, riding motorcycle. It's nothing to be like we are trying to do competition with guys. It's just that we want to hit the road, that we are capable. Guys have 2 hands, 2 legs. We have 2 hands, 2 legs. We have a brains. So that's when, we are nothing to compete anything with guys. We just want to ride.
We feel very grateful कि हम लोग का जो क्लब है, स्पेशली जो मेरा अरुणाचल बुलेट क्लब है, जब से जुड़ा है, उनको स्टार्टिंग जब हम किया था 2017 से, क्योंकि वहाँ भी हम लोग का लेडी होने से भी क्राइटेरिया रहता है कि आपको मेंबरशिप देने का, क्योंकि ऐसा नहीं कि आप लेडी है तो आपको क्लब का शान बढ़ाने के लिए दे देगा, ऐसा नहीं. हम लोग का बहुत स्ट्रिक्टली रूल है, इक्वलिटी जो कहते हैं ना, मेल और हम लोग का फीमेल, उससे कुछ वो नहीं, हमको भी वही क्राइटेरिया पूरा करना पड़ेगा. तो स्टार्टिंग में थोड़ा, क्योंकि एक्चुअली में इट्स हैपन इन पर्स इन आवर इन अरुणाचल प्रदेश का बुलेट क्लब में, जहाँ फीमेल राइडर्स को लिया गया है. तो इसका स्टार्टिंग विद हम लोग का साथ हुआ था. शुरुआत ही हम लोग का साथ हुआ था. वी एंड अनदर माय लेडी राइडर एलिजाबेथ, वो भी, यस एलिजाबेथ, हम दोनों का साथ में इसका जो इनिशिएट है इसका हुआ था. एक लेडी को लेना भी एक बहुत बड़ा रिस्पॉन्सिबल भी है, प्लस रिस्क भी है, क्योंकि एक जब हम लोग लेडी कहते हैं तो इसका ऊपर बहुत सारा चीज़ आ जाता है, स्पेशली द रेपुटेशन, इमेज, लाइफ, करियर, सब कुछ रह जाता है. तो पर्सनल, प्रोफेशनल, हर जगह क्लब का इमेज का साथ साथ खुद का भी रह जाता है. तो थोड़ा 1 साल, लगभग 2 साल जैसे हम लोग को, स्पेशली मी एंड एलिजाबेथ को, थोड़ा बहुत सा कुछ मेंबरशिप गाइस लोग का साथ में, सबसे ज़्यादा जो इमोशन जो पर्सनैलिटी का साथ में हम लोग को एक्सचेंज होने में काफ़ी टाइम लगा था, क्योंकि पर्स एक्सपीरियंस था हम लोग का भी उनका भी। तो आपस में ऐसा होता है ना, मेंबर्स ज़्यादा है तो बहुत लोग नहीं ये अगर लेगा तो हम लोग के लिए रिस्क भी हो सकता है ना। फिर अदर साइड बोलते हैं कि नहीं पॉजिटिव साइड देखो, क्या पता बहुत आगे ले जाए। तो ऐसा रहता वहाँ का जो चीफ रहता है हम लोग का, जो उस समय का था, उनको सबसे ज़्यादा प्रेशर रहता है कि इनको लेना है कि नहीं लेना है, क्योंकि फ्यूचर का अपना क्लब को भी सोचना पड़ता है और कहीं ना कहीं लेडी को भी सोच देना पड़ता है, ऐसा रहता है।
We as women riders within the motorcycling club or heading out solo, the sense of responsibility, the sense of belongingness that we share with one another, not just as women but all the other riders who like inspire us at different parts of our life. Speaking of loyalty, Amanda, I would love you to show that tattoo that you had made, you know, dedicating yourself, immersing yourself to NH51 Rebels.
Oh wow.
This is
That's great.
This is the level of dedication she has for her club, and this is indeed an epitome, an exemplar of to what length we as women can go. We don't fear to take chances with anything. We move ahead rather with willpower and a lot of sense of responsibility and love. Amanda, this is wonderful. What a tribute. Why do you ride?
That's a good one.
So this is a question I'm asked most of the times, that what literally, you know, what came into your head. Or sometimes my relatives ask me like, okay, you 24-year-old stupid girl, what are you doing on the road? That, you know, and I am really thankful to God that I come from a very privileged family, and they have never said no to me for anything. So when I took the idea to my father, I told him that, you know, I want to do this ride. So he was like, okay, we'll talk about it tomorrow. So again, procrastinating. Then I told him one day I am going. So then he was like, and my father is so supportive. He was like, okay, you go. I'm standing here. Nobody can say anything to you. I'll be supporting you no matter what happens in life. So you go, because today, if you don't do it yourself, so you blame yourself in the future that you did not do it. If today I stop you for your entire life, you'll say you did not let me do this. So he just told me that go.
Be it solo riding or riding with the club, the happiness, the sheer happiness, the pride that we take when we describe about your experiences, how we felt when we hit the road for the first time, how it felt when we took pit stop at a very random place, at a very random location, you know, and then again like moving on, reaching a destination, taking the time allotted or outreaching the time allotted because we are riding with a club. These experiences actually enhances the way we are living our life. Just like Angam ma'am said, that living life, we want to do it, you know, we want to live it fully, keeping at bay all of the responsibilities that we need to accomplish, the day's tasks, the yearly tasks that we have as women. Now, talking about that, I would like to come back to Amanda ma'am, managing so many things and having a tribute, giving her tribute to the club. Ma'am, what would you like to say?
Well, having a tattoo is my intense decision, okay? Nobody forced me to do it. Nobody forced me. So I just want to tell my dear brothers, my rebels, that this is not just an art, but this signifies that I have a personal bond with you guys.
Yeah, ma'am.
सजेशन मतलब क्या एडवाइस तो वही देगा कि सेल्फ लव, हमेशा सेल्फ लव करो और राइड करो. अगर हम 3 बच्चा का माँ होके इफ़ आई कैन कम आउट so if anyone can come out. So बस साल में एक बार या साल में एक बार या दो बार अपना आपको टाइम दे दो. इंस्टेड ऑफ लाइक फैमिली का ये वो हिंदी उसका तो सब चीज़ चलते ही रहेगा, लेकिन इंस्टेड ऑफ ऑल दिस थिंग्स बस अपना सेल्फ लव के लिए अपना आपको टाइम दो साल में 2 बार, बस वही है.
Thank you, ma'am. Angam, ma'am.
Okay. So personally, to the all lady riders, you are doing great. We love you. Keep ride, and let's grow together. And to the all known riders, आप अगर जिंदगी को जीना चाहते हैं तो राइड करके देखो, आपका जिंदगी का नजरिया बदल जाएगा. Thank you.
I just want to say that in spite of gender, just empower yourself and just hit the road. That's all.
मैम मैं चाहूँगी कि आप अपनी जर्नी अब तक की कैसी रही आप शेयर करें हमारे साथ.
मैंने तो बहुत मुश्किल का सामना करना पड़ा मुझे, क्योंकि लेडीज़ों को उस समय जिस समय मैंने स्टार्ट किया था मेरे जगह पे डिफू से, तब मुझे हर कोई मुझ पे हंसता था कि तू सलवार कुर्ता पहन के तू स्कूटी राइडर बन, ना कि बुलेट राइडर. तो एक अलग सा ही था एक्सपीरियंस, जो मैंने बहुत सारे लोगों का सोसाइटी के साथ बहुत प्रॉब्लम फेस किया कि लड़की एक लड़कों के साथ राइड पे जाएगी. फैमिली में भी बहुत सारी बातें होती थी, तो मैंने बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम्स फेस किया है, लेकिन मेरा एक्सपीरियंस बहुत ही अलग रहा है. और ऊपर से 2 बच्चे की माँ, दोनों बच्चों को साथ लेके चलना, उनका रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, फैमिली, तो मेरा एक बहुत अलग ही एक्सपीरियंस रहा है.
Oh man, I have seen this guy. Who is this?
Oh, how are you?
I'm fine. How was the ride?
Oh, it was lovely.
You enjoyed?
That could a day be more perfect? The weather is great. The roads are curvy. They're banked nicely. Nothing you have to pass. Weather is good. Perfect day to ride. And friends to ride with. No?
That's a great thing.
Well, firstly, I would say that you're very fortunate in India. In my country, there are no clubs of men that will let a woman join. The mere fact that you're in a girl body prevents you from joining a motorcycle club in the United States. This is particularly true of all the Harley-Davidson clubs. Harley-Davidson is the popular motorcycle of America and made by the Americans, just like Royal Enfield is the proud motorcycle of the Indians. But here, it's all inclusive. Anyone can join, anyone can reach. Your club will work with you. The second thing I would say is, I'm now 63 years old. I've been riding for over 50 years. I still have my first bike, a 1972 Suzuki, a little tiny bike. I've replaced both of my hips. Both of my hips are titanium now, and I still ride. So at first, I have 11 grandchildren, and at first they thought I was crazy. Now I have one that's 21 and one that's 25, and they want to come with me. They've been talking about wanting to come with me. It has come full circle from that's crazy to can I go?
Yes.
So
That's a journey.
so the last thing I would say is the man that invented Ford automobiles in our country made a very famous observation. He said, think you can or think you can't. Either way, you'll be right. So think you can and you'll do it, because if you think you can't, you'll just quit.
Women, yes, we do get scared sometimes when we hit the roads. We care about our machines and we try to learn as much as we can about our machines. During breakdowns or hitting out a random road or landing up in a destination we don't know, we try to learn and we try to give our effort so that the machine, the motorcycle that is so bonded to us, the relationship that we maintain and the relationship that is nurtured out of the sheer passion that we have is what we are all about, and much more than that, in fact.